In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to host multiple websites on Hostinger step by step. If you have a single hosting plan and you want to run more than one website on it, Hostinger makes this incredibly easy. Whether you're building multiple WordPress sites, managing client projects, or launching several niche websites, learning how to add and host multiple websites inside Hostinger can save you time and money. Instead of paying for separate hosting accounts, you can manage everything from one simple dashboard. I'll walk you through the entire process, from logging in to adding a brand new site, choosing the platform, and connecting the domain. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to launch additional websites on your Hostinger account in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and tech tutorials. All right, let's jump straight into it. The first thing you want to do is log in to your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Hostinger H-Panel dashboard, which is where you manage your hosting, domains, emails, and websites. From the main dashboard, look for the section called Websites. This is where all the websites connected to your hosting account are listed. Go ahead and click on Websites to open the Website Management area. Inside this section, you'll see your existing website if you already created one, and you'll also see an option that says Add Website. This is the button you'll use whenever you want to create and host an additional website on the same Hostinger plan. Click on Add Website to begin the setup process. Hostinger will now ask you what type of website you want to create. You'll typically see a few different options here depending on your hosting plan. The most common option is WordPress, which is perfect if you want to build a blog, business website, portfolio, or online store. Another option is the Hostinger Website Builder, which is great for beginners who want to visually design their website without dealing with technical settings. You may also see other setup options depending on your configuration, but most people will choose WordPress because it's flexible and widely used. Select the option that best fits the type of website you want to create. After choosing the platform, Hostinger will guide you through the setup process for that website. The next important step is entering the domain name for your new website. If you already own a domain, you can type it in here and connect it to the site. If you don't have a domain yet, you can use a temporary domain provided by Hostinger so you can start building your site immediately and connect a domain later. This is useful if you're developing a website before making it public. Once you enter the domain name or select the temporary domain option, continue through the setup process. If you selected WordPress, you may be asked to create your admin login details, such as your email address, username, and password. Make sure to save these details because you'll use them to log into your WordPress dashboard later. After completing the setup steps, Hostinger will automatically install the platform and configure the new website on your hosting account. Within a few moments, your new website will be created and added to your list of websites inside the Hostinger dashboard. And that's it! You've successfully hosted another website on Hostinger. The great thing about this setup is that you can repeat the exact same process whenever you want to add more websites, as long as your hosting plan supports multiple sites. Just go back to the website section, click Add Website, choose your platform, connect your domain, and complete the setup. Hostinger will handle the rest automatically. Now you can manage multiple websites, install WordPress, update content, and control everything from one single hosting dashboard. If this video helped you learn how to host multiple websites on Hostinger, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple hosting and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.